Hello, I welcome you all. The problem reads, locate the centroid Z bar of the homogeneous solid formed by revolving the shaded area about the Z axis. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics 13th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. So our Z axis, our Z bar is just going to be equal to integral. We are dealing with a volume there, Z curled. This is the centroidal location in the z-axis for the small strip of a cylinder dv and integral dv. Alright, so cut a small cylinder here. We're going to cut a small cylinder. This cylinder will have a certain thickness, dz, and then it will have z curled, which in our case will just be equal to z. Then later on we'll be able to work out this. It will have also a radius r, and our r in this particular case will be equal to our r will be equal to in this direction, which is y, right? Okay, so let's do that. So let's cut a small cylinder. There we go. Okay, like so. Like so. Like so. Okay. Like so. Right, and then we do have the thickness of this cylinder. This is the thickness of this cylinder, and then we have the centroid of this particular cylinder, a local centroid location from the y-axis. Of course, this is both from the y as well as the x because it goes round, but we're just using the y-axis for now. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, and then we do also have the radius, like so. We have the radius, like so, which is equal to r. Okay, so this one is equal to r. Right, so this is dz, and then this one is z curled, is just equal to z, and then r is equal to this r there is equal to y. So if we were to write the formula of small volume for this particular cylinder, so you can think of this as a cylinder. Okay, as a cylinder, like so. Okay, of radius r, okay, and thickness t, which in our case is dz, and our r is equal to y. Okay, so that is how you should think of it. So our dv is just equal to pi r squared dz, but we know that our r is equal to y, like we said initially. Alright, so dv will just be equal to pi y squared dz. Alright, so let's write this in terms of y. So we know that z is just equal to 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 12 minus 8y. Okay, then this gives us 3z is just equal to 12 minus 8y. Then what do we have? If we this went to the other side, we'll have 8y is just equal to 12 minus 3z. Okay, and therefore y will just be equal to 12 divided by 8 minus 3z divided by 8, which later on this just becomes equal to 3, 4 there, 4 there, like so, minus 3 over 8, like so. So this is our y. Therefore, our dz, replacing y, is just pi y squared dz, and this is equal to pi 3 over 2 minus 3 over 8 z squared dz. Alright, so let's expand this. So here we are going to have dv, this is equal to pi. Let's start working out. This just becomes a 9 divided by 64 z squared. Then we'll have a minus this by 2. It's minus 9, 2, this cancels out. This becomes 9 divided by 8 z, okay, plus 9 divided by 4 dz. Okay, and then what do we have now? Z bar is just equal to integral of z cubed dv divided by dv, like that. And then we know that our z bar is just z, okay, and then we have pi 9 divided by 64 z squared minus 9 over 8 z plus 9 over 4 dz. Okay, then divided by integral of pi 9 over 64 z squared minus 9 over 8 z plus 9 over 4, like so, dz. So we can get rid of this. These are constants. And then we can write this as z bar. So z by z is z cubed. So integrate it, we have 9 over 64 z to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 9 over 8 z squared. To integrate it, it becomes z to the power 3 divided by 3, and then we have 9 over 4 z there. This just becomes z squared divided by 4, divided by 2. So this we are integrating from 0 to 2. Okay, we'll go to indicate here. right? So we are integrating from 0 to 2. Now we are evaluating it from 0 to 2. Okay. So we divide this. We have 9 divided by 64, z cubed divided by 3, okay, minus 9 over 8 z squared divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 4 z. Okay, so let's find what z is. Let's calculate. So we have 9 divided by 64 times 2 to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 9 over 8 times 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 9 over 4 times 2 to the power 2 divided by 2, then divided by 9 divided by 64 times z to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 9 divided by 8 by z2 squared divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 4 by 2. So this gives us a 0.7857. So if I was to just round off this, I would say that's a 0.79 feet. Alright, I think this is about it. And I hope this particular video was helpful. And if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and liking my channel. Bye bye, and see you in my next screencast.